Um, Good morning. In the midst of us, Dr. Renu Katori is here with us. He's the Chancellor of Houston University, which is having 60,000 students. Though she's going to give us the keynote address in the next session, I'd like to request her to interact if there's a few points. Would you like to? Yes, so many suggestions have come. You may not have time in there.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. I'm Renu Kator, Chancellor President of the University of Houston. And actually, since you and I met, I already added 7,000 more students. So now I have 67,000 students. But just a few points about our collaborations. I think some of you pointed out some frustration. And I can tell you there are some things that are currently that need to be worked out by the American education system. And I'm on the board of the American Council on Education. We are trying to work through those. And those are three of those. And one you mentioned, and that had to do with intellectual property issues. Any single time you have any research collaborations, as soon as it comes to intellectual property, right there the institutions will drop it because it's just our system is not so flexible there to allow the sharing of intellectual property. Second important point on which the collaborations can break through, and that is accreditation issues. Because any time it seems like the agreement might infringe upon the accreditation, and accreditation agencies in the United States do not understand that global partnership could be very different type, that where you can assess the outcome to be the same outcome, but the delivery doesn't have to be the same. And that's a big, big shortcoming with the American system, so we have to work through that. And finally, the third thing, because I am there in a state university, publicly funded university, and that is that we are not allowed to take even $1 of the state money to any foreign country, and we have to, every single year we are audited by that. So it just does create some extra loops for us. It doesn't mean we can't do business, we do. We have several MOUs, we have several ones with the Indian institutions, several IITs, and here with PDPU as well. And I can tell you there are three things that separate a good agreement that works, or MOU that works, and those that do not work. One of them is you absolutely need a champion, a faculty or a researcher. Because even though I'm president, I can tell you I'm like grass on a cemetery. I am above a lot of people, I can't make them move. You know, so people have to move themselves, and that means if you're signing an agreement, make sure there's somebody who's gonna champion it. Second thing is the mission fix or fit is very, very important. There are two types of institutions in America. I can tell you from that angle because in my role as chancellor, I am over 4 institutions, one that is a research institution, and other 3 that are access providing. If you form a partnership between access providing institutions, do not expect research partnerships there. And if you form a partnership with a research institution, yes indeed. Then now you will have to sort through some of the other types of issues, but the mission thing is very critical. And third point that I have noticed is that your agreement has to be very specific, very targeted, very focused. If it's a generic agreement, it provides a framework, it's a good basic point, but it doesn't really get you anywhere seriously. So anytime we have MOUs like with PDPU in relation to our petroleum engineering program or in subsea engineering program, those will come to fruition. We have several such programs in other countries as well, and those are very, very, very successful for us. And just because I'm in Gujarat, I'll challenge you to that as well, because this is a very entrepreneurial state made of entrepreneurs. We at the University of Houston has the #1 entrepreneurship program in the nation. So if you are looking for how to do some kind of an entrepreneurship program in a school, we have a pretty good example and model, and I'll be happy to work with you. And thank you, sir, for your partnership.